Hello my friends, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. I'm Henriette and I've got to celebrate with you today and congratulate you on the 50th lesson in this course. And I'm just absolutely in awe of you for having followed all of these lessons, and I bet you've made amazing progress, so well done. And we're going to celebrate today by playing the song called Peter Peter, which is number 122 on page 34 of your book. And I'm not going to say much, and I'm certainly not going to tell you about music theory today. We're just going to enjoy and celebrate this milestone in your learning. I'm going to count us in for 4, and we're playing all the quarter notes with half bows and all the half notes with whole bows. In English terms, we're playing all the crotchets with a half bow and all the minims with a whole bow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you play this song, you want to really make this come out here at the end. So when I combine this with the third fingers, it goes. And you might really dig in with the bow on the G string here, so to bring out those notes. Let's go a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Absolutely awesome, and you have achieved such a great deal on your violin. Congratulations once again. Why don't you write in the comment section down below this video how this journey has been for you. How difficult have you found this, or have you found it quite straightforward? I really like to hear how you feel about your achievements. So I look forward to reading your comments, and I also look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye.